Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about something very important, how to set up basic security for your WordPress website. So don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. So let's get started. First thing you should always do is keep your WordPress updated. Whenever WordPress releases a new update, it usually fixes bugs and security issues. So always update your WordPress core, your themes and your plugin. Next, your login detail. Please never use admin as your username. I repeat that, never use admin as your username. It is the first thing hackers will try. Use a unique username and a strong password. If you have already set up your site using admin, you can create a new user with a different name and delete the old one. Now let's add free security plugin to help you protect your site automatically. A great plugin for beginners is Wordpess. Just go to the plugins, add new, search for Wordpess, install it and activate it. It will help block suspicious activity and send you alerts if something goes wrong. Once you activate Wordpess, you don't need to change any settings. Just install and activate and it will start working perfectly right away. So as a beginner, that's enough. No need to worry about advanced settings. Another best plugin for website security is limit login attempts. This stops hackers from trying random password again and again. Go to the plugin, click on add new, search limit login attempts and see this plugin. Just install it, activate it and it will work right away with default settings. So by default your login page is something like your WordPress website.com/wp-admin. Hacker know that too, so you can change it using a plugin like WPS hide login. This way you can choose a custom login link that only you know. Go to plugins, click on add new and in the search bar type WPS hide login. Install it and then activate it. After activation, take your mouse over the settings and now you will see a new option called WPS hide login. Just click on it. Now scroll down and you will see your website URL followed by the word login. By default, WordPress uses WP admin and guess what? Every hacker knows that. So whenever a hacker type your website URL and add /WP admin, they can reach your login page easily. But we don't even want them to get that far. So simply delete the word login and type something unique, like I will type Chan just as an example. Now click Save Changes. Let me show you how this works. If I try visit your website.com/wp-admin or your website.com/login, it was not open the login screen anymore. But if I type your website.com/chan, this login screen will open. That's how easily you can hide your login page and protect your site from hackers. Just follow these steps and you are making your website much safer with very little effort. Alright, so that's your basic WordPress security setup. These steps are simple but powerful and they will protect your website from most common attacks. Let's move on the next lesson and make your website even better. Thanks.